Thank you for watching Excel Expert 11. I hope you learned something. I had a lot of fun recording this class. What's next? I think I'm going to move right into Excel Developer Level 1. We're going to get into macro programming and some VBA coding and more of those user form controls. I've gotten lots and lots of emails from people that are like, hey, we want some VBA for Excel. So I'm going to start doing some Excel Developer lessons. I got some Access lessons to finish first, then I'm going to get back into Excel Developer. If there are topics you want to see covered, please post them in the forums. Email me. I'll give you my email address in a second. Let me know what you want to see. I know that there have been a lot of updates to Excel 2019. They've changed things like charting and stuff like that. I'm gonna put together an upgrading to what's new kind of lesson for Excel pretty soon. But in the meantime, if there's features that you want to see, please let me know. If there's functions that I haven't covered or stuff in the interface, I'm going to be getting into developer material and VBA pretty soon. But yeah, if you got questions, post them in the forums. You might see the forums below the video window, depending on where you're watching this. Or if you've downloaded it, you won't see the forums, of course. But if you're watching it online, which I recommend, go to 599cd.com/forums, and if you have questions, you can post them there. If you email them to me and it's a question that's supposed to be in the forums, I'll probably just move it there anyways, because I like to be able to have other people also join in the conversation, and if it's something that can benefit them, I'll post it there. I do a lot of tech help videos, especially for Access, but I'm going to start doing some more for Excel. If you've got questions, you can post them in the forums, and if I like it, I might even turn it into a short tech help video. You can find more information right there. If you need technical support, if you need one-on-one consulting, something that's specific to your business that you don't feel comfortable posting publicly, you can, of course, feel free to email me. There's my email address. If you want a fast answer, keep it short and simple. If I see something come in my inbox and it's 5 paragraphs long with a bunch of screenshots and stuff asking for help, I sometimes will snooze it and get back to it when I have more time. So the shorter your email, the faster you'll get a response. There's my other stuff, my blog, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I have something new called the Learning Connection. It's a membership where you get a 50% discount on every lesson if you sign up to receive a new one every week. And since this is, as of right now, the most recent course, if you're all caught up, you'll get the next one automatically when it's released, and you'll get a 50% discount. You can sign up there, 599cd.com/connection. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. This course is copyright 2020 by me, Richard Rost, and ExcelLearningZone.com.